All right, today we're going to complete the suspension job replacement. In the last video we did the front end struts on both sides. Made a huge difference, and today we're going to do the back side. Should be a much simpler job. 2 struts, 21mm sockets. I have one on both sides, one on the bolt side, one on the nut side, and yeah, 2 on each shock. And then so we'll start with the passenger side rear, and then we'll switch over to the driver's side rear. All right, let's get into it. All right, so what we're going to be putting in are these struts that, again, I got as a package with the front ones. Detroit axle. There's the model information. So let's get them unboxed. All right, for the rear and the passenger side, I'm going to slide in before the back tire so that we can get access to that strut. All right, laying on the back side, just here behind the tire, you can see the bolts that we're going to work with there. Bolt and nut, 21mm, and then also up in here, which you're going to finagle and getting access to those. So let's loosen those and take the strut out. Okay, here's the old one that I just took out. Rusted. Don't know how long it's been on there. Don't even know if it's the original factory, but this is what we're going to be replacing with it. Going to leave the strap to keep it compressed, so we'll get it secured on the top side, and then we'll let the strap loose so that it comes down and extends as we meet the bolt. Fasten it on the bottom side. So let's get that into place. All right, so I've got the strut hanging from the top bolt, and by the way, there's no nut on the top side. It's just the bolt, and you'll come in from the center to attach it. So I haven't torqued it down, but I've just got it hanging. So the next thing I'm going to do is remove the strap so it starts to extend and get back into the place where I can then feed the screw through. All right, just as I stated, I took the strap off, started to extend out, and I timed it just perfect so I can push the screw through and now reattach the nut, and we'll cut this out and then we'll be good to go. Now that we have the strut shock absorber in place, I'm going to torque the bottom and the top bolts to 85 foot-pounds, so let's knock that out. Okay, the passenger rear side is done. You can see it sitting right there, connected. On the driver's side, this time we're going to go in from the back side by the tailgate and access and repeat the process. Okay, driver's side rear strut is installed. You can see it there. Now let's go take it for a test drive and see how the ride looks and feels. All right, completed the front and the back suspension. Took it for a test drive, night and day. Definitely worth the money spent. And anyways, hope you found this helpful. Like and subscribe, and good luck with your truck.